Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is a French-inspired fashion and style lookbook video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this French-inspired fashion and style lookbook video. And ladies, this video is all about French chic and how I restyled this chemise, which in French means shirt, and also in Creole too, it means shirt. So I'm really excited to do this video because this is something that I've been really wanting to do, to put in my YouTube channel, a French chic series, French style series in my YouTube channel. So I'm really excited. So before I share with you ladies my thoughts and why I've decided to do this and the lookbooks and everything, the outfits, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, and hair product review videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And also I have new videos upload every Sunday on my channel. So every Sunday I have new videos on my channel. So ladies, like I said, I am really excited for me to go ahead and do this series. I've been wanting to do this series for a very long time, and it's been on my mind for a few months right now, and I've decided to go ahead and start it. And so this is going to be part of my channel, which is the French style looks, the French chic looks. And I just simply adore French fashion and style. I adore how French women always look so chic, always look so elegant, always look sophisticated. And you're probably asking, okay, where did I get my my inspiration and my love for French chic? So I got it from two sources. The first source is my mom, and my parents are actually from a French-speaking island. They also speak Creole there too. And you know, where my parents are from, the island that they are from is very influenced by African culture, but is also influenced by French culture as well. And a lot of the things that's pertaining to fashion and style, with makeup, with perfume, anything that has to do with fashion and beauty, it is influenced heavily by the French culture where my parents are from. And a lot of times you find that a lot with countries that speak French. Most of the time, you know, they're heavily influenced by, you know, the French culture. So my mom passed down a lot of the French chic tips to me. And, you know, ever since I was a little girl, she always telling me, you know, to always look sophisticated, always look chic, always look elegant when you just go out. Don't look, you know, don't just put on a t-shirt and jeans and flip-flops. Always look nice. Always look well put together, elegant, sophisticated, chic. And that is something that my mom had passed down to me. And a lot of times, like I said, where my parents are from, that is something, you know, they call that in Creole, and I'm pretty sure in French, habiller, which means to dress. And so it's very important to dress nice, to look nice, to look presentable, you know. So that's where I get that influence from. And the second source of influence that I get that from, of course, is from Instagram. There's a lot of French ladies that I follow on Instagram that I look for fashion inspiration, and I follow them as well, and here on YouTube as well. And so now let me go ahead and share what is French chic and style. So what is French chic? So basically French chic is, of course, looking elegant, looking sophisticated, looking really chic, and effortlessly put together. It's like as if, you know, you just look really chic. You look well put together, and that is French chic. And there are 3 things that my mom have passed down to me, and, you know, other things that I've learned from French ladies. There are 3 things that I have learned when it comes to getting that French chic aura, okay? The first thing that I've learned is classic pieces. It's very, very, very important for you to have classic pieces in your wardrobe. For example, like a good blazer, jeans that are well fit, you know, nice shoes, and also, you know, items in your wardrobe that can work together, that just flows together. So no matter how you put them together, whether it is a white shirt or a blazer or a skirt, it just goes together. So that is French chic, having classic pieces. And another thing that I've learned is that the French women, when it comes to their outfits, they don't really go for trends. They don't really go chasing after trends, because they always have, you know, something in their wardrobe that is classic, so that way they're always current all the time. They're always in style all the time, because classic is always going to be in style anyway. So in order for them to kind of make their outfit look a little bit more modern, they'll just update it maybe with a new scarf or a new necklace or you know, a pair of new shoes, some jewelry. So that is how they update their classic wardrobe. So again, they don't really go chasing after trends. Okay, so that is tip number 2. So tip number 1 is, you know, having classic pieces, and then tip number 2 is not chasing after trends. Okay, tip number 3 is always look elegant. Doesn't matter where you're gonna go. If you're gonna go to the supermarket, and that is something that I've learned from my mom. If you're gonna run errands, wherever you are going to go, always look put together. Always look chic. And that's one of the things that I have learned from my mom, and also from the French women as well. And the 4th thing that I have learned, which is tip number 4, is with French chic, as far as colors is concerned, there's always this rule of 3 colors, 2 to 3 colors. And the first 2 colors to an outfit is most of the time neutral colors. And if you want to inject another color, most of the time that color is going to be an accent color. For example, what I mean by accent color, for example, you might have a black and white outfit, and then all of a sudden your accent color could be red. Or you might have an all khaki outfit, like, you know, kind of like a tan khaki color outfit, and then all of a sudden your accent color could be orange, or your accent color could be green, okay, like a hunter green, or it could even be like, you know, a pastel pink. So, you know, your accent color is like the color that is your 3rd color that you inject into the outfit. Okay, so that's another thing that I have learned as well. And most of the time the accent colors are accessories, for example, shoes, handbags, necklaces, scarves, and so those items usually have the accent colors. That's when you actually see a pop of color, either on a scarf, a shoe, a handbag, or a necklace or earrings. Okay, so that is tip number 4. And of course, tip number 5, I also want to mention French chic is not perfect. It's never ever ever perfect. And French women don't really believe in perfection. They believe in being comfortable in one's skin. That's what they believe. They don't really believe in perfection. You know, because French chic is not perfect, so they don't believe in that. And that is French chic. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, but I really wanted to share all about the French chic and why I've decided to go ahead and start this series on my channel. So here is the item that I'm going to be restyling. This is a shirt that my mom gave me. She passed down to me, and a lot of times in French cultures and in cultures that are influenced by French, you know, most of the time the mothers usually pass down something to their daughters, something of good quality from their wardrobe. And in this case, I got this black shirt, and this black shirt is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it is a classic item, even though it's, you know, it's been here for a while right now, but it is classic. It never ever goes out of style, ladies. And as you can see, it's in the color black, and also there is some embroidery on the shirt itself. There's some floral design on the shirt, as you can see, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is what I am going to be restyling, and again, in Creole and in French they call this chemise. Okay, chemise. Alright, so in French and Creole. So I'm going to be restyling this item. Okay, ladies, so that is it for this French inspired fashion and style lookbook video. And of course, this video is intended to be a lookbook video, so that way you can be inspired if if any of the outfits kind of catch your eye and you want to recreate some of the outfits that I posted, some of the pictures that you have seen, you can definitely recreate them. And again, this video is intended for you to get inspired and get your French chic on, okay? So anyhow, I do have an Instagram page. You can definitely follow me on Instagram for more fashion and style inspiration, and also some makeup looks as well, and outfit ideas. And I also have a Facebook group. You can definitely follow me on Facebook, and there I usually post deals of the day or anything that has to do with fashion and style. I just post it on there, so you can definitely follow me on Facebook. All the links are going to be down below in the description box. And also I want to mention that I am going to continue to do these French style, fashion and style series. Again, this is a new series that I just started on my channel. And definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see more French chic. And yes, so that is it. And I do have other videos. Definitely you can see them. And also for the makeup of the day, I'm going to be leaving everything down below in the description box. The lipstick that I'm wearing, my makeup, everything that you need to know is going to be down below in the description box. And I guess that is it. So I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, and more hair product review videos. Bye bye, and God bless. Au revoir.